windy, but did catch a few. June 22nd, 2013. Back out kayak fishing. Things were slow, so we checked out the island. You could see a party atmosphere happening out there, so looked like a lot of fun. We kept on fishing. In this case, we decided to kick up our feet and let the wind drift us. We didn't get a strike for a while. And while we were bringing the kayak back on shore, we did have something hit. Took it really good. Quick check of it, and we can see it's a Gaspergou. Hit our Crappie Jig that we were using, a red and white one, similar to what we used the other day. We decided to keep on trying. Couldn't leave them while they're biting. There's another hit. Yeah, it's another Gaspergou. There's another drift. Like the other one, another Gaspergou. So then we're paddling upwind to get ready for another drift. And we had a white bass take this one. So I'm going to make one more pass. So we set ourselves up and have drifting a short while. It's another strike. So Gaspergou number 4. Till next time, good luck and good fishing.